Today, we're diving deep into how you can harness the power of artificial intelligence to create compelling user-generated content ads without spending a single dime. This is about maximizing your ROI with smart, free marketing tools. First, let's talk visuals. Your goal is to replicate that authentic, shot on a phone feel. We'll use free AI image generators to craft backgrounds and props that enhance your UGC. Think about the vibe of your product. Are you selling cozy blankets? Generate a warm living room scene. Selling activewear? Create an energetic outdoor shot. Many free AI art tools allow you to describe exactly what you want, so be specific with your prompts. Aim for realistic styles to maintain that UGC authenticity. Next up, compelling copy. UGC often features genuine testimonials and enthusiastic descriptions. Free AI writing assistants can help you craft these short, impactful sentences. Think about common customer questions or benefits your product offers. You can prompt the AI with these ideas, asking it to generate short, punchy phrases a real customer might say. For example, try prompting it to write a brief review highlighting a specific feature of your product. Now, to bring it all together and make it look like genuine UGC, you'll need a simple video editing tool, and many free options are available for both desktop and mobile. Take your AI-generated background images and overlay them with the AI-crafted testimonials or catchy phrases. You can even use free AI tools to generate short, royalty-free background music to add a professional touch. The key here is to keep it raw and relatable. Don't over-edit. The imperfections are often what make UGC feel real. Finally, focus on creating a call to action that feels natural. Your AI-generated copy can include a simple prompt like "learn more" or "shop now." Remember, the goal is to create ads that people believe are from real customers. By leveraging these free AI tools, you're creating engaging, cost-effective advertising that resonates with your audience. Start experimenting today and watch your ad performance soar.